Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Michael from Drexel Incorporated out in Brookfield, Wisconsin. I'm here to introduce our Milwaukee's Worst Kitchen Contest. We're located at 19355 West Blue Mountain Road in Brookfield, Wisconsin, 53045. The official contest description and rules. The Drexel Milwaukee's Worst Kitchen Contest begins September 2011 at 12 o'clock 01 a.m. Central Standard Time and ends October 13th, 2011 at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's the promotional period for you. Eligible entrants will have the opportunity to submit 4 photos or 1 video and 200-word essay or less. The contest for the contest rules. The contest grand prize and first place prize winners will be determined through an online voting system. The online voters will be asked to rate the entries based upon predefined judging criteria consisting of the appearance of the kitchen submitted, that's going to be worth 50%, the functionality and dysfunctionality, and the usefulness of the kitchen submitted, that's 30%, the originality, creativity, and objectiveness and the persuasiveness of the 200-word essay is going to count for 20%. Prizes will be awarded based upon votes received. No purchase is necessary to enter or win. A purchase will not increase your chances of winning. Eligibility. The contest is open to homeowners who are legal residents of the state of Wisconsin residing in the following counties of the southwestern Wisconsin region, including Fond du Lac, Dodge, Jefferson, Kenosha, Milwaukee, Ozaukee, Racine, Walworth, Washington, and Waukesha. Kitchens must be an existing primary permanent residence. The entry must reside, the entrant, you who are applying for this contest, you must live in this house, and it must be the United States postal address. Exclusions from the contest include, but not limited to, the mobile homes, trailers, and rental properties. Any residents considering movable structures are excluded and will not be included in the contest. Entries must be 21 years of age or older at the time of entry. The following persons are not eligible to the contest: employees of Drexel, spouses, its affiliates, subsidiaries, or vendors, advertising, promotional agencies, and members of the immediate family, spouses, parents, yada, 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 and their prospective spouses. By the participating entrants must agree to these official rules and the decisions of the sponsors, which are final and binding in all respects. Void were prohibited and restricted by law. Thank you very much and hope to see your kitchens. See ya.
Official rules continued. To enter, during the promotional period, go to www.milwaukeesworstkitchens.com. Click on the icon, banner, or text link to access the contest registration page and follow the directions to enter the contest. Complete the following 5 steps. Upload up to 4 images of your current kitchen. Upload up to 1 video of your current kitchen. Provide 200 words or less in an essay on why your kitchen should be voted Milwaukee's Worst Kitchen. Limited to maximum 200 words. Complete the entry form fully and accurately by entering your full name, address, phone, and email address. You must check the box that you agree to the official rules, terms, and conditions in order for your entry to be valid. The
official rules continued. The images, video, and essay collectively with completed entry form are hereinafter referred to as the entry. All entries must be received and recorded by sponsor's computer, the official contest timing device, by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time on October 13th, 2011 to be considered. All entries into the contest become the exclusive property of the sponsor and will not be returned. You understand that by submitting the entry, you are 1. Accepting the terms of these official rules and agreeing to be bound to them, and 2. You are opting in to receive email from the sponsor's entry. Entry is limited to 1 entry per household during the promotion period. Entrant agrees to the sponsor shall have the exclusive right to edit, adapt, and publish entry, and may use it in any media in association with the contest without attribution or compensation to the entrant, his or her successors or assignees, or any other entity or person. Entrant agrees that sponsor and its agents will not be liable to entrant or any other third party for any editing, adaptation, modifications, and or publication of any entry.
Official rules continued. Participation in the contest constitutes irrevocable consent to sponsor and its agents to use record, reproduce, publish, display, perform, translate, and distribute the names, likeness, voices, quotations, opinions, and biographical information of entrant or any natural person appearing in the entry, including, without limitation, any photograph or recording for promotional purposes in any media worldwide without further payment or consideration, and the name, likeness, voice, and biographical information of any natural person appearing in the entry, including, without limitation, use on merchandise or for marketing without attribution or further payment or compensation to the errant or his or her successors or assigns or any other entity. Entries cannot contain materials including photographs, sculptures, paintings, and other works of art or images published on or in websites, televisions, movies, or other media, subject to any copyright or of any other person without permission unless that person is sponsor or an affiliate of the sponsor, and materials relate to products of sponsor or affiliate of sponsor. Entries can be obscene and cannot be obscene or offensive, sexually explicit or suggestive, derogatory of any ethnic, racial, gender, religious, professional, or age group, profane or pornographic, or contain nudity, misrepresent, or contain disparaging remarks about sponsor or its products or other people, products, or companies as determined by the sponsor in its sole discretion. Thank you.
Official rules continued. Grand prize, one grand prize, $20,000 in materials from Drexel Incorporated to be used towards a new kitchen makeover, awarded as a credit card of $20,000 to be used towards a kitchen design and materials purchased from the sponsors as follows. Dura Supreme Cabinetry, value up to $8,000 retail price. Midwest Top Countertops, Corian and Zodiac, valued up to a $5,000 retail price. Kohler, value up to $1,000 retail price. Rabina Wood Flooring from the Bar Company, value up to $3,000 retail price. Tile from Jekyll Distributing, value up to a $750 retail price. Hardware from Hardware Resources, value up to $1,000 retail price. Hunter Douglas Blinds and Shades, valued at $500 retail price. Eagle Windows, value up to $750 retail price. The credit is not eligible for the labor needed to install the materials. The winner will be responsible for all costs related to the installation of the materials. The contest winner will be responsible for all labor fees related to their kitchen remodel project and can utilize their own contractor. The sponsor can provide a referral list of the contractors upon the contest winner's request.
Rules continued. The grand prize must be utilized at the address and for the exact kitchen submitted for the contest. The grand prize offer expires March 15th, 2011. All materials must be ordered by March 15th, 2011, or the contest winner will forfeit the grand prize. Value of the prize is approximately $20,000. The price may not be transferred, substituted, or exchanged. There is no cash alternative, and the prizes must be taken as offered. All federal, state, and local taxes that may apply from the prize are the sole responsibility of the prize winner. If, for any reason, the lucky winner is unable to accept the prize will be forfeited and become null and void.
4 first prize winners: $500 gift card for sponsor store, awarded as a credit of $500 towards anything purchased at the sponsor store. Value of these 4 prizes is approximately $500 retail each. This prize may not be transferred, substituted, or exchanged. There is no cash alternative, and the prizes must be taken as offered. All federal, state, and local taxes that may apply from the prize are the sole responsibility of the prize winner. If for any reason the lucky winner is unable to accept the prize will be forfeited and become null and void. Winner notification. The prize winners will be selected by the kitchen photo, video, and story that receive the most votes from the visitors to the contest website. Visitors to the site have unlimited voting per day. Voting will begin October 14th, 2011 at 12 a.m. Central Standard Time and will end October 24th, 2011 at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Odds of winning will depend upon the number of eligible entries received. The winner will be notified the week of October 24th, 2011 via phone call or in person. Failure to comply with any rule, regulation, or limitation will result in the forfeiture of the prize in whole or in part. There will only be one grand prize winner and 4 first prize winners. In the event of a tie, the winning names will be placed in a random drawing to choose the final winners. The sponsor, at their sole discretion, has the right to disqualify entrants and exclude them from the contest. The grand prize winner will receive an affidavit of eligibility and publicity release, which will include an IRS Form W-9 affidavit and release. Within 10 days of the receipt affidavit and release, the winner shall be required to sign and have notarized the return of the affidavit and release and any related documents required by the sponsor. The winner must provide their full legal name, mailing address, do not use P.O. Box, and Social Security number for federal ID tax number in the affidavit and release. Failure to sign and return the affidavit and release within the time requested may result in forfeiture of the prize. No responsibility is assumed for lost, stolen, late, misdirected mail. The affidavit and release is null and void if incomplete, illegible, or erroneous. Unacclaimed or forfeited prizes will not be awarded and will become null and void.
Only the winners will be notified. All of the non-winners will not be notified. To the extent permitted by law, non-winners forfeit their right to litigate, to seek injunctive relief, or to other recourse to judicial or any other procedure in case of disputes or claims resulting from or in connection with this contest. By entering this contest, you expressly waive any and all such rights. Upon winning, the entrant agrees to allow the sponsor to take before, during, and after photography and videos of the winning kitchen project to be utilized for marketing, without attribution or further payment or compensation to the entrant, his or her successors or assigns, or any other entity. Winner list. For a listing of the prize winners, send a self-addressed stamped envelope to 2011 Drexel Milwaukee's Worst Kitchen Contest. Attention Marketing, 19355 West Blue Mound Road, Brookfield, Wisconsin 53045. Request received after January 1st, 2012 will not be fulfilled. General conditions. The contest will be governed, constructed, and interpreted under the laws of the state of Wisconsin. By entering the contest, participants agree to be bound by these official rules and the decisions of the sponsor on all matters relating to the contest. Entrants consent to the use of their names, addresses, likenesses, and any statements they make in connection with the contest or the sponsor in general without additional compensation unless prohibited by law. Entrants and winners also consent to being contacted by the sponsor or a third party with whom the sponsor has a relationship regarding one or more of the sponsors or sponsors' suppliers, products, or services. Limitations of liability. By participating in the contest, entrants agree to release and hold the sponsor and their respective affiliates, parents and subsidiaries, and their respective employees, agents, and representatives, collectively the sponsor's entities, harmless from any and all liability claims and cause of action of any kind whatsoever for injuries, damages, right to privacy claims, losses to person or property, or other claims or causes of action that may be sustained in connection with entering the contest or arising out of the receipt, ownership, or use of a prize or arising out of participation in this contest, including without limitation malfunctions of electronic equipment, computer hardware, software, malfunctions of the entrant's email provider, incorrect email addresses, lost, late, incomplete, misdirected entries, or for any reason including tampering, unauthorized intervention, fraud, or any other cause that corrupts or affects the administration, security, fairness, integrity, or proper conduct of the contest, and the contest not being capable of being conducted as described in these official rules. The sponsor shall have the full right and its sole discretion to cancel, terminate, modify, or suspend the contest.
The sponsor reserves the right to disqualify any individuals it finds has tampered with the entry process or the operation of the contest, or who has acted in violation of these official rules or any applicable state, federal, or local law or regulation, or is acting in an unsportsmanlike or disruptive manner, or with intent to annoy, abuse, threaten, or harass any other person. Caution: any attempt by any contestant or any other individual to to deliberately damage or undermine the legitimate operation of the contest may be in violation or criminal and civil laws, and should such an attempt to be made, sponsor and its agents reserve the right to prosecute such person and or seek damages from any such person to the full extent permitted by law. Disclaimer: entering and winning the contest may be stressful. Remodeling your kitchen can be stressful, although the sponsor will help to try and elevate the stress, and the sponsor is in no way liable for the stress this contest may cause. Contest rules. These official rules will be posted on the sponsor website at www.milwaukee'sworstkitchen.com during the contest period. Copy of this official rules may also be obtained by writing to Drexel Incorporated, attention Office Rules, 19355 West Blue Mound Road, Brookfield, Wisconsin 53045. Sponsor. This contest is sponsored by Drexel Incorporated, 19355 West Blue Mound Road, Brookfield, Wisconsin